Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing the exact photo, open your gallery or file folder and pick the highest quality file you need. Make sure the image doesn't contain sensitive info and check size and format because some platforms compress or block large files. Once done, decide whether to use your cloud provider's native sharing or upload to a link-based service. That choice affects privacy and link duration. You'll act immediately to create an accessible link for others, not just send the file. You now generate the actual link. Upload or locate the synced photo in your cloud or sharing app, then tap Share or Get Link. Make sure to set the permission level, choose View Only to prevent edits, or add an expiration if this is temporary because permissions control access and security. Once the service creates the URL, copy it, and if you want a cleaner address, shorten the link. Then preview it in a private window to confirm it opens correctly before you send it. You finish by pasting the link into your chosen channel and give a short line of context, who, what, and any password or expiry details. Ask the recipient to confirm they can open the file and make sure it works on both mobile and desktop because device quirks matter. If they cannot access it, immediately check permissions, remove restrictive settings, or re-upload and create a fresh link. One key troubleshooting tip: if a preview fails, send the direct download link instead to bypass preview issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.